Here we fitted a Hornet Maxx1, a Cat 1 alarm and immobiliser. Now it's an insurance approved alarm system which has its own immobilisation. It comes with its own remotes. It's an analogue alarm system, and basically this is the remote. So what it looks like. And we fit it to this Mercedes SL. Now all we have to do is push the lock button on the remote and it would arm the alarm system, locks the doors, and you get the chirp and the indicators flash. And when you unlock it or disarm it, disarms the alarm, unlocks your doors, and obviously you get the audible sound. With this alarm system you could also silently arm it and silently disarm it, especially if you like pull up outside your house and it's really late at night and you don't want the chirps to wake everyone up. All you have to do is push this button here first and then push the lock button, and as you see it's armed it, locked it silently without the chirp, and again do that and it's disarmed it, unlocked the doors without the chirp. You may want the chirp, you may want everyone to know that there's an audible alarm system on this system. Now the system has an interior sensor. It protects all the doors, the boot and the bonnet, so any intrusion will just trigger the alarm system off. The nice thing about the Hornet Maxx1, you could also add accessories to it. So you could add further sensors like shock sensors, tilt sensors, glass break sensors. So you could add all these sensors to it. It's got that capability. It also has various outputs as well. So if there's additional things that you want doing, i.e. you want something else to flash when the alarm's been triggered, or you want extra sirens or internal horn or anything like that, the alarm system's all got outputs for that, and it's all very programmable as well. So it's quite flexible with the system. You can actually add to it, and it's not just the basic thing as it is. So that's the Hornet Maxx1, and that's a Cat 1 alarm.